Welcome to my channel again. Today we shall be making mini wafer paper seals. Mini wafer paper seals, we shall be needing wafer paper, food coloring. I'm using red and green. I have already pre-mixed them with water, round cutter, scissors, that is the scissors that can cut with make waves, and then a paper puncher, and of course a scissors. Using your circle cutter as a guide, make marks on your wafer paper. Press it hard, okay, so that you see the imprints on your wafer paper. Then using your scissors, quickly cut out your circle. If you have these other scissors, you can use this in place of the ordinary scissors so that it can add an effect to your wafer paper. Now I'm going to be painting my wafer paper with green food coloring. I have mixed gel food color with water, just ordinary water. So I am quickly going to be painting it. Make sure that you don't put so much water. If not, you are going to be left with a gooey paste. So I'm painting this side first, and then I'll set it aside to dry. Now I'm going to be painting my second wafer paper in red. Remember to always dab out extra liquid from your brush. Now we are going to take the green, the first one that we did, and we are going to coat the other parts of the wafer paper. We kept it aside so that we will not overwhelm the wafer paper. Now, if this is your first time of watching a video on my channel, I would like you to look below and press the subscribe button if you have not already done so. And don't forget to also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post videos like this. We are all about cake decorating and wafer paper decoration art. Also, don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts with us in the comment section, and please share the video also. Now I'm going to be cutting my circle into two. I'll be doing that to both the circles that I have. But first we are dealing with the red one. Now I'll be pleating the bottom of my semicircle. Our wafer paper is not dry, so it's easy to quickly pleat this under part. This will be easier if the semicircle was bigger, but we are making mini wafer seals. You could also do bigger ones too. When you are done pleating them, you keep them aside and let them dry. This will take about maybe 10 to 20 minutes. But if you're in a hurry, you could easily use a hair dryer that you have set aside just for your decoration purposes. So our wafer paper is almost dry. It's not completely dry. I don't want it to be completely dry so that I can pass my paper puncher into the wafer paper and it will put a hole in it without breaking it. So you just put your paper puncher and you just punch away. Make as many holes as your paper can take. Don't overdo it, if not it's going to tear. So I'm done putting holes. Another benefit of doing this is that you end up getting sprinkles too, you know. So I'm going to be using those sprinkles on my cupcake and alongside the mini wafer paper seal. You can use it just the way it is, but if you know me, I like them glittery. I love gold color a lot. So I'm just going to be highlighting the holes we have with some gold dust mixed with edible spirit. So just go over all the holes on both sides of the wafer paper seal, and also I'll be taking it on top of the seal too, that is on the edges too. And voila, our wafer paper seals are ready to be used. So you can use them on your cupcakes, you can make larger ones and use them on your cake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to also share and give us a thumbs up.